Hello guys, this is Muscle Rider and welcome back to the channel once again. So as you saw in the previous video, we were discussing about what bike will be my next purchase, and the process is all done. We have booked a bike. Our bike will be expected somewhere around mid next month, and so the preparation is all started. We have bought our new helmet. So previously I used this empty helmet. This series has been discontinued, and I have approximately used this helmet for around 5 to 6 years now, and still it is in very good condition, proper shape. So I will be using this helmet locally now, and keeping this aside, I have bought new helmet from Amazon. The helmet is from Ignite. So let's start unboxing this helmet. Here goes the first box, and inside this box we have another box. It is obviously DOT certified and even ISI certified. My old helmet was even EC certified. This doesn't get EC certification. Here comes the helmet out of the box. Laid out of the packing. It's kind of bit heavier compared to my empty helmet. The empty helmet was 1450 grams. This one weighs 1500 plus minus 50 grams, so approximately same. And the size wise comparison, almost similar. The shape is different, but the size wise comparison is almost similar. Now let's see what all features we get in this helmet. We get a single vent here. Yeah, you also get a vent here, one vent here. This is the visor locking mechanism. This is how we open it. Again, the visor is removable, and we get goggles inside the helmet, sunglasses inside the helmet. We get a nose curtain, chin curtain, and yeah, inside the helmet, yeah, even we get a double D-ring lock. For this price range, we are getting a double D-ring lock. That is a good thing. And even the visor is pin lock installed. So this is anti-fog film. Most of the visors are pin lock ready. This one is already installed. So let's separate the documentation first. Get a normal instruction card, manual, some stickers, and a keychain. Now let's just remove this. By the way, I have a vent for the medium size. We have removed the film. I will just wear it and check it how this looks. Not going to lock as of now, but yeah, looks and feels decent. Just one thing, the visibility of this helmet is slightly less compared to my empty helmet. The empty helmet had a wider visor and wider visibility. I guess this thing and the nose curtain is, I guess, slightly blocking my view, but I guess I might get used to it. So this is how it looks. One side, back. So I purposely went for a solid color design. It's perfectly tight. So this was the quick unboxing video of the Ignite IGN 4 series helmet, which is Midnight Gloss Black. Yeah, surely I will upload the long-term review of this helmet once I start using this helmet. By the way, this helmet is from Steelbird. Maybe this is a sub-brand of Steelbird. Yes, looks decent for a price what they are offering. This helmet cost approximately 4,600 rupees, Indian rupees, and currently on Amazon there was some sale going, so I purchased it for 3,550 rupees. So I got a great discount there. So that was it all about the unboxing video. Stay tuned on the channel for the updates and review of the helmet. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe and drive safe.